Hello. Today I was reading FAQ about bjarne stroustrup. I hope I pronounced it correctly. And I'll start by saying what it is about. And this part are lists evil, and this document made me really think. So I want to share why it's so interesting to me and why is it so important. Why basically I want to talk about the whys. So this page, Bjarne Stroustrup's FAQ, it's the page Bjarne wrote it. It's common questions people ask him, and he didn't want to repeat answers. He didn't want to repeat himself, so he created this page, and people can find answers to most commonly questions that people are mostly interested about. One interesting thing that he said was he doesn't want to make this page look nice. If you are wondering why it's only text, black and white, he said, I'm not citing him, so don't take my word for it. See for yourself." But he was like, plain HTML loads much faster, and still a lot of people suffer from slow connections, and he can only be get good at one. He either provides content or design, and he doesn't have time for both, so he provides content. That's really nice. I really like these questions. I really like his the way of thinking and the things he says. So I'll go down to this part that I was before. These are really good things. I am really happy that I decided to read this page. Now, I was on, where was I? It's infrastructure. There. This is really nice. This is really nice. He lists this document. For example, C software development for infrastructure, and I opened it. I was curious what's on that page, and I started reading it. So I've read this page and up to here. Maybe up to here. So that's not much from my point of view. And it made me think, so what is it about? This he calls infrastructure software critical software, like, I'll just show you. Smartphone battery lasts for less than a day if used a lot. Then this one is nice. We can send a repairman to fix a software bug in a space probe, and sending one to reprogram a ship's engine on the high seas is impractical. Trying to fix a software error in a consumer device, such as camera or a TV set, typically isn't economical. That's really nice. Then he proceeds by saying the implication puts a new emphasis on the old challenge to software developers: deliver code that is both correct and efficient. So, spaceship's engine cannot fail. Smartphone battery. So, if algorithms and data structures used are not efficient, then the battery is going to run out really fast. So people who create phones, cell phones, they want to get the most out of the physical material that we have. I don't want to call it hardware. And that's we all want our phone to last as long as possible. We all want our laptops to last as long as possible. And that's not really possible if the software is inefficient. Still gonna post the video. I guess I have allergy problems. Anyway, this is why is it important? Why is it important for me? Because software developers, we, especially people I encountered, and myself included, we ask, why do I need to learn data structures and algorithms? I'm never going to use them. And I heard that a lot when I was at university. I heard that a lot at work. People are like, I don't need them. And I wonder why is that? Why do we all think that data structures and algorithms are useless? Because if you want your phone battery to last long, the software that runs on it needs to drain it very slowly, and efficient software is going to drain it slowly because it doesn't require high power consumption. For example, Google, like this piece here, data center as run by a major corporation such as Amazon, AT&T, Google, or IBM uses about 50 MW, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, per day, equivalent to 15,000 US homes. And the setup cost is about 500 million US dollars. In 2010, Google used 2.26 million MW to run its server. Now that's amazing. And when we have efficient software, we can use less hardware. Maybe students pričam s ovom vozi. And that's why I think it's important. We might not be working on it now, but in the bigger picture, the more I think why it's important, where it's used, and with what kind of software, of course.